Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add CC or auto captioning to your YouTube shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to go to your YouTube studio and go edit your content. So here, I'm just going to click on content and then I will need to filter by shorts. So now I only see my shorts here in this list. Now we will be needing just to search for the shorts that you want to add CC to it. And basically, we need just to click on it. And basically, this method only works here on the web YouTube Studio. And here we will find subtitles if we go down the video. So basically, those are the visibility, restrictions, and related video. And here we will find subtitles. So as you can see, there is, we need to select the language first before adding subtitles. So now we will need just to click on show more so we can add the language of this video. So I'm just going to here and I'm going to select uh, any language. So here, let's go and search for English. Here, I'm just going to choose United States English, and you can add a caption certification if you want, or you can add some description, etc. So now we can add subtitles. So basically, here you will be seeing the subtitles, and now you can start editing the subtitles within by synchronizing the subtitles and the video here on this editor. So basically, those are the steps. And as you can see, you can also upload your file if you have some subtitles file, or you can type them manually, or you can have some auto sync. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.